Hello and welcome to the weather update. It is October 16th, 2018, and we're going to talk about the weather in our area. That's just going to be a brief weather update on the weather in our area. Now, we did have some moisture yesterday in the area. It was a little on the humid side. A cold front moved through, and that front had stalled to the south of us, which is why we had a lot of clouds around, as you can see on this satellite image. But now the temperatures have dropped a lot. And why is Ventus Sky over here? All right, let me move it over here. My mistake. Alright, here we go. Alright, so we're going to look at Ventus Sky and the current conditions across our area right now. And temperatures are in the upper 40s and low 50s. I had to wear the jacket today. It's a very cool day today. Highs only in the 50s. And the dew points are really low. And we're going to be sticking with these low dew points now for a while. The humidity is finally gone. Dew points are in the 30s and low 40s, so upper 30s and low 40s with dew points, and we're going to continue with that as we go on. Well, the next, like I said, the pattern change is taking hold now, and we'll look at the observation from Farmingdale, 50 degrees, dew point 36, and dew points actually earlier today were in the low 30s, so it's very dry air. Very low humidity, very nice, but we did have a lot of clouds around, unfortunately. So yesterday it was more humid, dew points gone in the mid-60s, and we had some rain. That front moved through with just a couple of showers. It really wasn't, there were no thunderstorms, fortunately. But anyway, let's go ahead and look at what the future holds for us. We're finally in a cool pattern now, and it is going to stay that way for a while because we'll keep getting reinforcing shots of cool air coming through Thursday, Friday, into the weekend, next weekend. So you can see just one after another, perfect for fall as the leaves start to change. And if we look at the temperature anomaly, you'll see we'll be below normal too. So that'll be nice too. So let's back it up to today. And you'll see we're going to be below normal. We're in the blue finally. We're in the blue. And the rest, the ridge is now in the west. So thank God finally it has changed, and we're finally seeing the kind of pattern that we needed to see for so long, and I'm so glad about that. So let's take a closer look at the weather the next couple of days, and it's going to be pretty stable. I mean, we're just going to see cool, dry weather, pretty much. So tomorrow, Wednesday, we're going to see cooler air coming into the, cool air. Temperatures will be around average, I guess. Let's take a look at the temperatures. All right, so temperatures will be around average for our temperatures around 60, 62 degrees. But a reinforcing cold front comes through Thursday, so temperatures Thursday are only going to be around 50 degrees, maybe even only in the 40s in some areas. So it's going to be well below normal on Thursday with a pretty strong northwest wind, definitely feeling like fall. And temperatures rebound a little bit on Friday. Another cold front approaches on Saturday with some chances for rain, and temperatures around 70, perhaps reaching the upper 60s, and then it gets cool again for Sunday. Highs possibly only in the upper 40s, around 50. And as we go into next week, more of the same continuing. So it's really we're really in a cool pattern now, and it's such a relief finally after all the hell we went through this summer between the humidity. With the humidity, it's finally taking hold, and you'll see the dew points also will be pretty low as well. So we're going to look at the dew points and see that we had going to have low dew points tomorrow, even lower dew points on Thursday. Dew points Thursday in certain areas may only be in the teens. Other than that, we'll have dew points in the 20s. So that's very low dew points. Very nice dry air coming in finally, and it's going to stay that way. Here's that front on Saturday, and then right behind it, look at that, more dry air again for us. So the leaves are going to really start changing, hopefully soon. I think they are starting to change, so we'll be having great weather to see the fall foliage. It's just generally one of the most spectacular things to see in nature is the fall foliage. I love the fall foliage. So let's go and look at the sky conditions for tomorrow. So we will have mostly sunny skies, I think, tomorrow. But I think later in the afternoon we'll have some clouds with that secondary front. that moves through. Then Thursday, mostly sunny, maybe just some patchy clouds. And Friday, we're going to have increasing cloudiness because we have that system approaching. So I think there'll be increasing high clouds on Friday. And then Saturday will probably be cloudy, and there'll be some rain chances. We'll go over that. And then Sunday, once again, mostly sunny. And probably Monday, Tuesday looks like maybe some more clouds. They're out by Wednesday, so and Thursday. So we have a lot of opportunities for nice weather for the rest of this month. It's going to finally be great weather to be outside, and that is really great. So let's take a look at the chances for rain the next couple of days. There really isn't that much. The only chances for rain I see is going to be on Saturday with that front. So we're going to look at that. So no rain, and we Saturday there'll be possibly some light showers around with that front. Nothing too heavy, and then it just stays dry after that. So good thing is we have fair weather for us, and it's finally definitely very fortunate to have. Unfortunately for the people in Florida, I haven't forgotten about them. It's been a really rough situation there in Florida, in the Panhandle. Let's look at the satellite, the high-resolution satellite image, and I'll just leave it with that for the load. So we'll go over here around the Florida Panhandle, and you can see they're dealing with some heat and humidity in here, and a lot of people don't have power and they don't have air conditioning. However, Panama City Beach, Gulf Power has done an excellent job and restored almost all of Panama City Beach, which was next to the hardest hit area of Panama City, which is pretty amazing when you think about it. Gulf Power is really doing a great job getting the power back. You never see that around here. They never move that quickly, so it's a good response from Gulf Power. But other utilities, particularly the Northwest Florida Cooperative, which is further in, they have a lot of power outages, and they don't really have the manpower to deal with all these power outages. They're bringing in extra manpower. That's the problem with these cooperatives. They're like rural electric companies, but they don't have the manpower to deal with these disasters. But we haven't forgotten about it. They're going to be having to rebuild. It's going to take years and years for that place to even get close to normal again. So my prayers go out to them, and the best of luck as they try to clean up from this horrible disaster of Hurricane Michael. But anyway, that is going to conclude this weather update. Take care, and thank you for watching.